Hello students, this is the first assessment of consumer behavior. This assessment will be based on the topics covered in the unit 1. These are the instructions before you go for the test. Each student is assigned a single question and you have to write only relevant points. Suppose the question is related to how you can change the attitude, then no need to explain what is attitude, what are the sources of attitude. Only write the relevant and the to the point answers. Limit your answer around 150 to 200 words. I don't want roundabout words. Uh, Tell only those things which is relevant to the question. And one most important thing is you should not copy the content from others, because every student is assigned a different question. So if even a single line will be copied from any other one, both the students mark will be nullified. None of I will not ask that who have copied from whom, but I will simply cancel the answers of both the students. And you have to upload your handwritten answer, and that you have to submit by 10 p.m. today only. The link for assessment will be given in the description link. You have to mention your name and the question you have been assigned while uploading your document. If you have any doubt, you can call me and you can ask through WhatsApp also. Now I am reading out questions assigned to each students. The first question is for Abhishek Sharma. Assume yourself as a product manager of company selling mobile phones. Change your consumer attitude toward your brand by changing relative evaluation of attribute. You have to assume yourself as a product manager of a company which is dealing with the mobile phones. You have to change your consumer attitude by changing the relative evaluation of attributes. The second is Dimpy Arya. The question is, smoking is injurious to health is generally accepted, but it is not necessary that everyone who used to smoke has quit smoking. Suggest strategies by which you can change attitude of those who smoke. It is generally prevailing that smoking is not good for health, it is injurious, but it is not mandatory that if you counsel someone who smokes that they will quit smoking. So you have to suggest some strategies by which they can change their attitude towards smoking. The next question is for Himanshu Joshi. Describe a situation in which you acquired an attitude towards a new product based on your personal experience. You have to describe a situation in which you have purchased a product and then your attitude has been changed after purchasing that product, and that is the source for changing the attitude was your own self experience. Then is Kamal Kapri. Contact two of your friends and gather information about the attitude on wearing helmet while driving a two-wheeler. What conclusion can you draw from their opinion? You have to contact any of your two friends and you have to ask them about what do they people think about wearing of helmet on two-wheeler driving. So after taking opinions from those two students or those two friends of yours, you have to summarize the conclusion you got from those people, and you have to write in short. Then is Mohit Punetha. Based on your experiences and observations, what are the recent changes the pandemic COVID-19 has brought in consumers' behavior? Here you know that COVID-19 is very highlighted nowadays, as this has created lot of panics in so among society, and lots of change has been brought in consumers behavior, buying behavior. So you have to analyze those behaviors based on your experiences and observation that you have seen around you, and you have to mention the changes that you have noticed. Then is Priya Dhami. Assume yourself as a product manager of a company which is selling mobile phones. You have to change your consumer attitude by, you have to change the beliefs of people about your brand. See, the Abhishek Sharma question was different and Priya Dhami's question was different. In Abhishek Sharma's question, he has to change the attitude by changing the relative evaluation of attribute, whereas Priya's question is about changing the belief about the brand. So be careful, the answer should be different for both the question. Next is Poonam Thakur. Tell name of anyone who has reached a level of self-actualization and explain why you think they have reached the level. This can be someone famous that you don't know personally as well. You have learned about the Maslow's hierarchy of need. Self-actualization is the highest level of needs that you have satisfied. So you have to tell the names of any person who has achieved in success, self-actualization need, and you have to tell the reason behind it. And that person can be someone which is not known to you. It depends. If it is known to you, then it is well and good. It might be a person who's not known to you as well. Then Rashmi Kapri's question is, describe a situation in which you acquired an attitude towards a new product through exposure to an advertisement. See, here you have to think of any situation in which your attitude got changed about a new product after seeing the advertisement. Now, Sakshi Pandey, take any product that you have recently purchased and discuss what are the various emotional and rational motives influence your purchase decision. So you have to think of any product that you have purchased recently, and you have to find out what were the emotional and rational motives that factors which influence your decision, whether you purchased, why you purchased that particular product. Next is Shivani Pandey's question. The Department of Transportation of a large city is launching an advertisement campaign that encourages people to switch from private cars to public transportation. How can the department change the relative evaluation of attributes? Here again, the transportation department of a metro city is launching an advertisement campaign which is enforcing them to use the public transportation, because most of the people prefer private cars because of the convenience. So now it is a challenge for department to convince people to go for public transportation. So they have to change the relative evaluation of attributes regarding the public transportation. So you have to tell how they can do this. Sumit Kumar, think of any recent purchase you made and correlate it with Maslow's hierarchy of need, and discuss which need you have satisfied by making that purchase and the motive behind it. Now, here you have to think of any purchase you had made in a recent few months, and you have to find out which need you were able to satisfy with that particular product, and what was the motive behind purchasing that product. Tanuja Rana, the Department of Transportation of a city is launching an advertisement campaign then that encourages people to switch from private cars to public transportation. How can the department change belief about public transportation? This question looks like similar to Shivani Pandey's question, but here the part is different, that how can the department change beliefs about public transportation? In Shivani Pandey's question, it is related to relative evaluation of attributes. So both the questions are different. So answer should be different. Now, Vikas Joshi, assume yourself as a product manager of a company selling detergent bar. Now you have to change the belief of consumers regarding your product, and you have to convince them to purchase your product. So all these questions are practical based questions. So you have to think practically as you are a business student. In future, you have to go for any companies, sales manager, branding managers. So think of all the concepts and what concept had been taught in unit 1, and consider yourself as a situation you have been given and answer accordingly. Think creatively and answer accordingly and smartly. So this is all about the assignment. If you have any query, you can give a call and clear your doubts. So thank you and all the best for your assessment.